Glycolic acid, a popular alpha-hydroxy acid, has become a key ingredient in skincare for its powerful anti-aging properties. Naturally derived from sugarcane, it is known for its ability to deeply penetrate the skin and promote exfoliation, making it a valuable tool in maintaining a youthful appearance. As we age, our skin's natural exfoliation process slows down, leading to the buildup of dead skin cells, fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. Glycolic acid addresses these concerns by sloughing off dead skin cells, promoting skin cell turnover, and encouraging collagen production. Using glycolic acid as part of a natural skincare routine can help restore a radiant, youthful glow without the need for invasive procedures. The best part is you can incorporate glycolic acid into your daily regimen at home, making it a convenient and effective solution for anyone looking to naturally enhance their skin's youthfulness. Benefits of glycolic acid for younger skin. Exfoliation. Glycolic acid exfoliates the top layer of dead skin cells, revealing smoother and more radiant skin. Stimulates collagen. Its regular use helps stimulate collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Brightens skin. It helps to even out skin tone and fade hyperpigmentation, making your skin appear more youthful. Improves texture. It smooths out rough skin texture over time, giving a more refined appearance. How to use glycolic acid. To make your skin look younger naturally with glycolic acid, follow these steps. Choose the right glycolic acid product. Glycolic acid is available in cleansers, toners, serums, and peels. For beginners, start with a product that contains a lower concentration. As your skin builds tolerance, you can gradually move up to higher concentrations. Perform a patch test. Before applying glycolic acid to your face, test it on a small area of skin to check for irritation or allergic reactions. Cleanse your skin. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oils. This prepares your skin to absorb the glycolic acid more effectively. Applying glycolic acid. After cleansing, apply a glycolic acid toner to further cleanse and exfoliate. If using a glycolic acid serum or cream, apply a small amount and gently massage it into your skin. For a stronger treatment, glycolic acid peels can be used. Follow the instructions carefully and leave the peel on for the recommended time before rinsing off. Use moisturizer. Glycolic acid can make your skin dry, so always apply a hydrating, non-comedogenic moisturizer afterward. Look for products with soothing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. Sun protection. Glycolic acid increases your skin's sensitivity to the sun, so it's crucial to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 during the day. Frequency. If you're new to glycolic acid, start by using it 1 to 2 times a week and gradually increase the frequency as your skin adjusts. Always consult a dermatologist if you are unsure about starting glycolic acid or if you have sensitive skin conditions. Overuse can cause irritation or dryness, so listen to your skin and adjust accordingly.